Meaning of decree.
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 Decree. A decree is an official order or decision made by a person in authority, such as a government official or a judge. Decrees can be issued in various contexts, including legal proceedings, religious institutions, and political systems. Typically, a decree has the force of law and must be obeyed by those to whom it is addressed. Failure to comply with a decree may result in legal penalties or other consequences. In short, a decree is a formal proclamation that carries legal weight and demands compliance from its recipients.